Go from I do to we thrive together. It's time to strengthen your love with the Gottman Method. Picture this. You're standing at the altar, gazing into your partner's eyes, ready to embark on a lifelong journey together. The excitement is palpable. The love is undeniable. But have you equipped yourselves with the tools to navigate the inevitable challenges that lie ahead? Enter the Gottman Method 7 Principles Workshop, a one-day intensive workshop designed to fortify your relationship with research-backed strategies for lasting love. Whether you're newly engaged, considering marriage, or simply looking to deepen your connection, this workshop offers invaluable insights and practical skills to build a fulfilling partnership. What sets the Gottman Method apart? Well, unlike other couples workshops that might focus solely on communication or just on the emotional bond, the Gottman Method delves deeper into the core principles that make relationships thrive. Developed by renowned psychologists Dr. Julie and John Gottman, these principles are rooted in over 4 decades of research on thousands of couples. Their findings reveal that 69% of all relationship conflicts are perpetual. That means they're likely to resurface again and again throughout your life together. And this is also important to note that the key lies not in eliminating these conflicts, but in learning to manage them more effectively. So in our workshop, you will do several things. You will learn, first of all, how to master conflict resolution by learning how to navigate those disagreements, especially the more gridlocked, perpetual ones, without damaging your bond and your commitment to one another. Number 2, you'll also foster intimacy. You'll discover ways to deepen your emotional connection and maintain that spark. Number 3, you'll also really focus on how trust and commitment are built, not just in the early I do of a commitment, but also on a daily basis. How do you strengthen that foundation of your relationship through shared values, mutual respect, being there for each other? Number 4, creating shared meaning. We're not just good friends who also committed to each other and know how to communicate in conflict. The research shows that there's so much more to a really happy, sustainable relationship, especially around meaning. And how you do that is through developing rituals and traditions that nurture your unique partnership and really build something that you can both be proud of. And lastly, you'll learn how to gain a deeper understanding of your partner on an ongoing basis. You'll learn how to appreciate their perspectives and needs, how you can be there for them, and how they and you are both continuing to evolve over time, and how you'll both need to learn how to stay updated on each other to really keep that closeness and value each other. And then just lastly, the workshop experience is led by me, Stephanie Cook. I'm the director at Couples Counseling ATL. I'm a certified Gottman couples therapist, the first in Georgia. I've been leading this for 9 years, and I absolutely love teaching couples everything about the Gottman research and how to practically apply it to your relationship. This workshop is a blend of engaging presentations. I promise I'll keep you entertained, but also interactive exercises where you can break away with your partner and practice these things together. And then I can help you if you need some help. In that private couple time together, you can reflect on what you're learning and practice it and really think about how it could apply to your particular relationship. You'll enjoy a relaxed atmosphere with breakfast and coffee provided, and then you'll also go to lunch on your own and leave later that afternoon energized and focused on strengthening your bond with a very clear plan of how to apply what you've learned. And one last thing, a bonus for engaged couples. If you're planning on getting married this year, this 6-hour workshop counts towards the discount on your Georgia marriage license. So once you've completed this workshop, I'd be happy to give you a certificate to present when you're applying for your license to get that discount. I think it's about $25. And if your relationship is currently facing more intense challenges, obviously, a workshop can help, but you may need more one-on-one with a therapist. We don't want for you to wait for those issues to escalate. So, remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not a weakness. So whether it's through couples therapy or individual counseling, all of our therapists on staff at Couples Counseling ATL are here to support you either alone or together to work towards a healthier, happier life and relationship. So you can visit us at counselingatl.com online. You can see videos of all of our therapists. You can book a free 20-minute video call with a therapist of your choice. Likewise, you can also sign up for our next couples workshop. We have at least 2 a year. Thanks so much.